Okay, so that's it for the video. Now, I want you to actually do something now, okay? And we will be practicing this. If we'll practice this often if this is successful. What do I mean by that? That means you have to be serious about doing this. We are creating notes together. All right. So what you can do, okay, let me just allow everybody to access this. Okay, Jiaqi is here. Right, so if you check the chat box, do you see that I pasted a link there? Can you try to click on that? All right, try to click on that and you should actually come to the screen, the Jamboard. And some of you already have used this in school, isn't it? Never? Okay. Now, okay, so for now, you are all anonymous. Okay, so you are anonymous, duck, alligator, jackalope, okay, and then blockfish and something else. Okay, so what you're going to do is do not do anything yet. Do not draw. Okay, I trust that everybody is responsible. And what I want you to do is go to the sticky note. Look at what I do first. Okay, sticky note. You can see my mouse. Click once on it. All right. Qi Hui, you can't get in. You should be able to. Okay. You should be able to. You try again because I allow everybody to go in. There is no password, nothing. Okay. All right, go to the Jamboard and okay, I continue with what I want to share first. You all listen up first. Okay, so let's say I prefer to use pink, then I can put pink. I'll put down Miss Day. Okay, so I can say maybe light allows us to see. Okay, you can either type in your name first, put a hyphen, and then put in the points. Okay, then the moment you click save, it will appear. Okay, so it's going to appear on the Jamboard. All right. Then if you want to put another post-it or another sticky note, okay, then you can put down something else. You can even say that, okay, light travels in straight line, something like that. Where's my notes? Okay, and then you can put in your name here. I think it's better. Okay, so something like that. So you just write whatever you can think of. It doesn't matter if somebody else has actually written that. Qi Hui, no, you don't need the app. Actually, you should be able to use it. Did you sign in your Google account yet? Qi Hui. No, if you sign in, you should be able to. Remus, don't write that, okay? You are disturbed, right? Don't put that in, okay? Yeah, thank you so much. That's not a good job. I'm not going to share it, okay? Then don't type that in. Okay, so what I will do is I'm going to give you a little bit of time, quickly put it in. Okay, there are many people who actually tried this before. Let me show you. You can't make a sticky note, Jiaqi. Do you know how to make a sticky note? Okay, Jiaqi, look at my mouse. Can you see sticky note? On the left-hand side, there is this taskbar. I can't even see you, Jiaqi. Jiaqi, from now on, it's compulsory that your face must be seen. Okay? Everybody need to turn on the camera. They will be calling up students who don't turn on the camera. Okay, on the left-hand side, Jiaqi, you should have the taskbar. Okay, then you can click on it. All right? So try this. Why is this good? Because I have many. I only let you view. Okay, let me see again. Oh, okay. Sorry. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, so now you should be able to. Can you all see now? Because now you can actually edit. All of you are the editor. Can you see the taskbar on the left side now? No? Yes or no? Refresh, go to this and then enter. Let the whole thing refresh once more. See whether you can see it. Colleen can now? Can, I'm so sorry. Just now I let you all become viewer only. That's my fault. Okay, so start keying in now. Because I have many students who did this the last few lessons, and actually they wrote in very nice points. If you put in shape, you can't type in. You need to go to sticky note. Yeah, look at Wayla. Thank you, Wayla. Wayla chose orange. Light can pass by transparent and translucent objects. Yep, sounds good. Okay, yeah. So you just write down anything you can think of. Don't worry about what other people already put in. Wayla, you have the taskbar, right? Can see already, right? Jinglong, can y'all all see this? Is it Jinglong? Yeah. Light is the fastest thing. Sounds good. Okay. Hey, don't move my text box. That's my text box for the topic. Jinglong, you cannot type. Are you able to see my screen? Can you see that I have pointed at the sticky note on the left-hand side? Jinglong, can you see it? There is no sticky note for you. Can you try to refresh the page? That means you go up right to the top and then enter once more. Okay. So you are going to do this. You look at my screen. Can you see what my screen now? Okay. You just have to enter this, or you refresh your whole screen. You are still view only, cannot be. Because I allow everybody to be editor. Anyone with the link. Refresh your screen. Do you close the whole thing? Click on the link once more, Jinglong. If you don't know how to refresh, then you have to click on to the link once more. Yeah. Okay. So today, once you're familiar with this, right, next time it'll be a lot easier. Yes, because just now you didn't refresh, but it's okay. Now you can. The most important thing is you can now. Okay, talk about light. You learned about light before. So we know that light actually allows us to see. Okay, and then most of the time we don't have complete darkness at night. Especially in Singapore, we have a lot of lamps outside the house, a lot of lights outside the house. So there can never be complete darkness. You want to have complete darkness, go to a jungle, okay? And it will be completely dark. You can't even see your hand when you put your hand right in front of you. That kind of darkness is complete darkness. Okay, usually when you just turn off the lights, you close the door, turn off the lights, draw the curtains, you can't really say that is complete darkness, because it's not. Wow, Jiaqi can give me so exact figures. Now you don't have to arrange in such a nice order. What my other students did is they actually did this. Okay. They went to the upper left-hand corner of each post-it, and then that's what they did. So they make it a bit nice and interesting. Okay, but they don't block each other's notes, yeah? So after this, when the whole page is being filled up, okay? Sure, Qi next time, then you log in, okay? This time probably you can be excused, but this is good. Maybe later I can send it to you also, Qi. After you fill up the whole thing, yeah? Okay, there is this part where you can download as PDF. That will become your notes. Okay, but we are not going to download today because many of you probably would like to put in some more notes later. Okay, so I want to ask someone. Okay, Wei Le, You will unmute yourself and tell me, why did you say that without light we will die?
It's because without light, the plants can't photosynthesize. They can't
Very
make their
good.
own food, and sometimes the animals who we eat, they feed on plants. If they don't feed on plants, they will die, and we won't have any food, so we will also die.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, so you already seem to be having some sort of awareness about food chain, isn't it? So all our plants are actually at the producers. So they provide the food, and then many animals actually just eat plants. Okay, and then we are at higher level, we eat plant as well as animal. Okay, so those things are, you are what you need to know. Okay, it's important. Oh, hello, Marisa. You're in the car, is it? No wonder you didn't turn on the camera. Okay, right. Are you okay with this? You can learn in your environment, can? Okay, that's important. Now, so when you put in more and more notes, try not to put it upside down lah. Otherwise, can be a bit difficult to read. So Waylon made a good point. Without light, eventually we will die. Why? Because plants make food using light. Okay. Yeah. So let's see who else. Okay. Colin, maybe you want to explain a little bit. You said that light cannot pass through opaque objects, right? So when light cannot pass through opaque objects, what can it form? What can it form? Where is Colin? Yeah. Oh, some of you already typed in. Colin, are you here? Yeah. So what do you think will be formed when light cannot pass through opaque object? All of us have it when we are walking on the street, okay, and then there's the sun. Yes, very good. Colin says shadow. Irene says shadow. Jinglong also says shadow. Xiang Kun also says shadow. Yes, you know about shadows. Have you all done the adjustment of the object or the light source or the screen to see how the shadows are being changed? Yes or no? I hope you have done that because today's worksheet also talk about it. All right. So formation of shadow is due to light being blocked by the opaque object. Now, okay, light travel very fast, so I'm going to stop share. You all can continue keying in, but then you may want to stop soon because we will be looking into our worksheet now. Okay, I see somebody drawing there. I don't like that. Okay, and then I also will not entertain that. If this goes on, I will definitely find out who is the one trying to disturb. Okay, and I'm going to send a warning. Okay, Gladys is here. All right, so we can go into our worksheet now. Okay, during the going through of questions, okay, we'll be learning more and more from each other. I want active participation, okay, in the chat box. You don't have to unmute yourself, okay, but you need to respond to me actively in the chat box. Can you see my screen? Okay, good. Okay, so this topic on light. Okay, just one more minute and I'm going to, close the Jamboard. Yeah, good. Somebody arrange it in very nice order. Okay, later I can share with you what the other classes did. Okay, so let's look at this particular worksheet now. Okay, I have received your input. Okay, and I can see all the responses. Okay, and I'm going to show you later also. All right, not everybody has done it. Okay, so those who did not do the worksheet for maybe 2-3 times, I will also be checking in with you. Why is that so? Now, first question. Okay, which one of the following is a source of light? What is the meaning of source of light? Type into the